Hello guys, in this video we will be trying to fix WordPress white screen of death error within 2 minutes. First of all, whenever you are seeing a white screen of WordPress error, no doubt it's not an easy thing to see, but it's always doable, it's always fixable, and always in a easy way than we think. Alright, without wasting any of our time, let's jump into the fix. First of all, I am going into the core files of my WordPress and I am opening my file wp-config.php, and I will be setting my debug log to true, because this is the first thing which we have to do to be certain that it shows all of our errors and actual reason or root cause of the issue. So once we have done that, we have to save our file and check for the issue. Okay, so if you see, the issue is indeed residing on our functions.php file on the line 149. So this is a path of our file. All right, as this is my actual active themes file, so I am going to it, and now I have to jump to that particular line. Okay, so this is the theme and this is the file, and if I go to that particular line, so this is the line which is causing the issue, and actually I have added this code so we can see the error. Now I have to simply comment this code, because this is the code which is causing the issue for me. In your case, that particular code can be anything which leads to a WordPress white screen of death error. It can be anything like a code which conflicts with WordPress core, or it conflicts with WordPress plugins, or it even conflicts with your own theme, or it's some sort of a code which is leaking memory, and due to memory we are seeing that particular issue. All right, so based on your code, you can just first of all try to get rid of that code. So once you are done, simply try to view your website again and see if that issue fixed the issue. All right, so in our case that issue got fixed, though we are seeing some other warnings and other stuff which is not required, and for that we can simply set our debug log to false and save and try to view our site again. All right, so that's how we use WordPress debug mode to fix or find any issues quickly. And once we have found our issue, obviously we can check the actual or main pinpoint of that particular issue. And based on that, we can take further actions to fix that issue. So it totally depends on the situation. All right, in other cases, if I just try to check in more detail, and everything seems to be working fine for us, nothing bad at all, so everything is perfect, so our site is back. Indeed, issue was due to a bad code in our theme, and once we enabled debug log, we were able to fix it. All right, see you in the next video and have a nice time.